Hello, my name is Anne-Marie Ward. I'm the Heritage Officer with Cavan County Council. I'm here today to talk about Heritage Week 2020, running from the 15th of August to the 23rd of August. This year, due to unprecedented events, Heritage Week has taken a different shape. We are still promoting the national event and we still want to encourage as many people as possible to engage and share with us in participating in National Heritage Week. Today we're in Bear Essentials in Bonboy in the Silver Bear Centre, where Anka and Louise have worked with a group of children in making traditional Irish wildlife animals. The children delighted in making the animals and really enjoyed the workshop. Although this is a very different Heritage Week, please take the time to look at the National Heritage Week website, www.nationalheritageweek.ie. See the wonderful projects which have been submitted from County Cavan, along with other wonderful projects throughout the county. Let's promote Heritage Week. Use it as a week to embrace our heritage, to learn about our heritage, to learn about our past, to meet the custodians of our heritage, all aspects of heritage from County Cavan and from throughout the country.
We are delighted to be part of Heritage Week in 2020, working together with Anne-Marie from the Cavan County Council Heritage. Our Heritage Workshop was run at Bear Essentials, Silver Bear Centre in Bonboy, County Cavan. Bear Essentials, like the name says, is all about teddy bears. We have the largest collection of teddy bears in Ireland. We also stock our own Bear Essentials brand of traditional collectible teddy bears, one-off designs. People come here, a lot of families, because they love the atmosphere around in the garden, they love our playground, they can have a picnic here, and also usually can take part in workshops which are limited this year really to families and not to huge groups. If you like to know more about Bear Essentials Ireland, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook, or you can get in contact with us on our website bearessentials.ie. Everything you find in the shop here you will find online as well, so we have a lot of international customers as well for the shop, for the products, but also for our International Teddy Bear Hospital.